He's led the way of millions to find freedom on motorcycles. He's not a Washington insider.
Are you just going to keep talking?
Let's just go riding.
He's been a champion for the rights of kids to ride. He's offered the best selection of motorcycles and accessories for over 45 years.
I promise to lower the cost of having fun on a motorcycle.
Like FDR, he always offers a new deal.
These are chains we can believe in. Read my lips. No traction left behind. Thank you.
4 more gears! 4 more gears!
He's Malcolm Smith.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Smith, and I approve your friendship on Facebook.
4 more gears!
This message paid for by Malcolm for President 2012. Now go out and ride.